God damn
boy.
it.
Just
Yeah,
keep
just
top.
play around bot,
Why
yeah.
the fuck would he take... Gnar takes, like... He's not that easy.
He has
It's
a skin though,
okay.
so you got this. You got this.
True.
Let's go walk up.
Yeah.
You guys want to invade?
Yeah. Every
Alright,
game.
then.
I'll start E if we get a good setup. I'll start resetting through them.
The fuck is your E?
The dash.
Oh.
E's dash, Q's the shooty thing.
Oh, okay. They know.
We can just do it anyway.
Yeah, they'll never expect it.
We'll just do it anyway. Fuck them.
Yeah. Fuck it.
It's
They're-
worded,
no.
yeah.
Got it.
Gold
Nice.
advantage, we win.
Yeah.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna full clear top, get red buff, and then we play. If you guys have prio, we play around Scuttle Crab.
Sounds good. We always have
Alright.
Brown.
I'm gonna ward. I'm gonna ward your red, and then
No,
I'm gonna
you're-
take a leash.
Oh, you guys are
And
not gonna
then-
pick a leash?
We can walk up and see if they walk up on us, Jeffrey. They're
Yeah,
really
yeah.
squishy.
We're not gonna fake a leash, and then
You're gonna cheese them?
Yeah. If they invade, we'll just turn around and come.
No, just go for the cheese. Just go for the cheese.
Yeah, we're gonna try to cheese in
Yeah.
here. Let's go. See what happens. If they walk here, one of them's burning flesh, and then these gets free kills.
Okay, they're leashing definitely.
Yep, 100%.
No,
They're
so
gonna know
stop.
we didn't, so if they go to invade,
It's fine.
like they're
Oh yes.
This guy is actually stupid. Why the hell would anyone walk there?
All right, there's flesh.
Nice.
also, why would he ward there?
Yeah, I don't understand, to be honest.
So 3 minutes, he has no wards, and he's down. He's down 2 CS.
Cinnamon mist as well.
We're gonna hit level 2 way before these idiots.
Yep.
One more. They have no. Wait, he still hits it. She canceled her auto on me. I'm ready to go in whenever you are, Jeffrey.
Oh, this guy's dead as fuck.
I think you need to go in first. That way he can't go away from mine or dash away.
He's dead.
Nice.
Don't hit this.
I'm shoving. Let's see if we can shove and get prior here.
I don't.
Because we can do scuttle. We can
Yeah,
double scuttle these kids.
Ramus is top side. He's gonna already get it. So
If you go,
Alright.
oh fuck! I was gonna say if you get their or if you get top scuttle, we can get bot.
nah.
But Ramus got it.
Yeah.
Ramus got it. That goes in. We'll leave this for Lee.
I knocked the shield on.
Thank you.
So wolves are gone. Y'all just stand this bush here.
Yeah, we can kill them here. Honestly, if they push, they probably
Money's on them coming toward this bush right now.
they probably think you guys reset. Ramus
If
is
they
top.
don't go this way to ward it, they're fucking done.
Oh, he's
This
dead as
Ramus.
fuck.
Nah, he's shit. Hopefully fine.
Okay.
What are they
These
doing?
guys are freezing. I think.
Yeah, they're trying to at least. Oh, oh, they broke the freeze.
Nice. They might slow push this.
Yeah, it'll have to be
I
the same thing.
the
where
Senna
you
needs
go-
to.
Senna?
Okay, yeah. Keep going. Let me W. Oh, okay. Shove this in and reset. I think.
Yeah. And then when we're back, we can probably get dragon.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a game played through bot lane.
Yeah, I can see that.
There's no way he actually stops me.
Yeah, you.
Ah. I flashed and healed. That's my bad. That's warded.
Ramus has already reset. He's probably gonna be here for drag, but I'm looking for Annie here. Honestly, let's go.
That could be free. I don't think she has sums.
Yeah, let's go flash on him.
Oh, she's gone.
No, you keep going. No.
Yep, there you go. Good shit.
Nice, clean. We can do dragon here. Zerath, come.
Huge wave crashing here, so I'm gonna go see if I can catch the experience from it. while
Yeah,
guys do
you
that.
can go, you can go.
I'll toss a ward there just so you have some more vision.
You get this for free. You're not gonna contest it.
Nope.
Oh, Rammus is top. Alright.
Try not to push this Jeffrey so you don't miss too much experience. Don't want you to be falling too far behind levels.
After 6, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah. Sorry, excuse me.
Rammus
Go
is still
back.
top side.
I realized what you said way late. I thought you said yo behind me.
It's just,
I was like, I don't-
Scott.
Yeah.
Who's blues about to spawn?
He's gonna be here, yeah.
Yeah, we can kill him.
Do you want this or? Yeah,
No, you take it, you
yeah,
take it.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Do you guys wanna? We can. Yeah.
we can
Fuck
just,
him up
we can
here.
just kill him here.
Yeah.
Give it a little bit longer. They're slow pushing a huge wave in Terror Tower.
yeah.
They're both missing. This could be.
I don't think
No,
it's.
Annie would
I
be
don't think
walking
it's
too.
warded, but
Annie would be walking up right now too.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna.
fuck it. Just leave, yeah.
You got a full jungle to clear. We're chilling. We got a huge wave pushing
I
into
think.
us. We can freeze it.
Yeah, he might be. Yeah, he was in my jungle there.
They're back here. We kill Senna.
That's fine.
Oh my
She walks
god.
up.
Nah, she lived.
This guy is such a fucking beta. No.
Holy shit.
Yeah, they're just stronger than us right now. You're good.
He's
Wait,
gonna
dead.
die. Oh. Oh, he's still dead. What?
All right, 1 for 1. Fuck it. Yeah,
Did
he
he-
ran.
did he
ran
flash?
away from the tower?
Did he flash as
I
well?
don't know if he flashed. I don't
Okay.
think so. Wait, he flashed to get out of tower? I don't even know. We'll pretend like he has flash. I don't think he does. That was a really good death on him because I got Noon Cliff right out of that.
It was a shutdown.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I thought you had more kills than you did. Or you do.
We haven't been killing them too much yet.
Well, we killed him 3 times. I just didn't realize each one of us got a kill. It was 3, right? I can get that.
But you can't.
Yes, I could.
I didn't think you could get it.
You piece of shit. I told you I could get it.
Yeah, Lucian is here. Lucian's gonna be right over here.
We got this pushed in. I'm coming. I flashed in 20. I'm gonna put a ward up here.
I have no idea where Rammus is. Okay. And he has.
And they have any ult.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm scared of that any ult. I could clear that ward, Jeffrey. Yeah. You're gonna eat that.
He walked right past me.
Get on the jump.
You guys probably dead here. Oh, I'm coming. I'm walking down. Oh, run away. Yeah, run to me.
You can get to him. And then you can just
Oh, fuck me.
Fuck.
Awkward.
That's actually so bad.
It happens. It's alright, we just want the shutdown on him.
He's super fed.
Yeah. I have alt now. I didn't get that till like at the very end of that fight.
Yeah, we have ults and we'll be able to run through them at this point. And we'll have Dragon up here, and they have to reset.
I
They
clear top side, then I come bot.
Yeah, yeah. They'll probably be in base by then, which will be good for us. We'll just do drag for free. I honestly think if you get on the Lucian, we kill him.
You have ulti, right? Oh.
Yeah.
I need to
Sweet.
Rammus is there.
Alright.
Watch
Stop
out
that.
for Rammus, yeah.
Shut this out.
I go mid
Yeah, I get to
here,
this.
and then...
Yeah.
We just beeline this dragon.
Yeah, clear the wards, yeah.
Rammus is lurking around here.
Oh, he's actually inting. We go hard here. Yup, keep going, keep going. Nice.
We need help down here.
On the Lucian. On
coming.
the Lucian.
I'm
Let's get
on
there.
my way. Nice ulti, nice ulti. That's huge. Keep going. It's your... Oh,
Ooh, there we go.
Good shit.
Yeah, we just needed our
huge,
ults.
huge.
Yeah.
I have 7 assists, but it doesn't even matter.
You can push out and get platings here.
Has blue spawning too here?
Okay. I'll get that. You can just push out and then reset, actually. I don't think you'll be able to get plates.
I got the big.
Yeah, we're not gonna stick around for plates. Just get this and go. We're coming.
Rammus is here.
Ooh, you good?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. I'm just gonna run out. Oh, this guy's greedy as hell.
I'm coming.
Come towards
Just kite to us. Kite.
I did.
We're gonna be here. Ooh, nice.
This guy?
Blocked him.
Nice, nice, nice. That's a big oh, wait, he caught a shutdown on me.
Sorry. No.
It's fine, it's fine.
Wait. I need help.
You're good, you're good. I think
have
you're
no
fine.
E.
Oh, he ulted you. You
Yeah.
are...
That's
Keep
good. That's
running, keep running. Yeah, just run out, run out, run out.
Alright.
good. That was a fucking eventful situation. Goddamn.
I think I should have kicked the Lucian there instead of the Rammus, and it would have been a lot better, but that's on me,
You
my
may
bad.
have lived, but it still worked out. You kicked
Yeah.
me the target that I could reset on, which was good. Because if you kick Lucian, I wouldn't have killed him right there, right away. I don't have enough burst to just one-shot him.
Yeah.
Alright, I think I'm safe to go Lucidity boots this game.
Yeah. I mean, they have a lot of CC, but it's not really gonna matter when you just jump in
Yeah.
on them and go unstoppable.
Yeah, I'm so strong. I'm 3-1-4 right now.
He warded that, and they pinged. Yeah, so bot's fully warded. We need to get prior and clear these.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I get the boot.
Engage them if you see it in. On the Lucian.
Yeah.
Oh shit, you're melted.
I got
I'm
it.
watching.
It
That's
was
yeah.
okay.
If you go in, we still win.
No, I don't go in on that. Don't go in on that. Trust me. Just wait, play it out. I'm coming. Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Nah,
yeah,
we
we're
just
good.
killed them.
Yeah.
Okay then. Holy shit.
I'm certain,
Yo,
like,
Annie missing? Annie missing? Annie missing?
I just have to be able
I
to
hope
take
she comes.
a lot of damage for him, and then at a certain point, he just kind of kills everything.
Yeah, I'm at that point now. I'm gonna get collector soon
Yeah.
too. Annie might be coming down here.
No,
Yeah,
Annie
as soon as you
reset.
get
She
Collector,
reset.
the game's
Oh,
fucking
she's right there.
retarded. Wait, I need an auto on this.
Yeah, 100% we want this.
I get all 3 of these. If you just, or yeah,
I'll
I
kill
want-
one.
Yeah.
I love how you sent me that TikTok earlier like 4 or 5 times.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I sent that shit like 7 times because you do it all the time. I'm like, all right, I'll just take this, and he killed it. Well, okay, I can get the neck, and he killed that one too.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're
Okay.
mid.
Let me get a far sight.
Every single AD carry does that. I don't know what they're doing. It's like they want to see if they can kill it before I can get relic stacks off.
Yo, you guys should go mid here. Let Xerath go bot.
Yeah. If we can get a Herald too, that'd be
Yeah.
sick. So we can probably get an inhib with it.
Yep.
Top's just dying, but it's whatever. He's only died once so far.
Yeah, he's doing fine, honestly.
Yeah.
As long as he doesn't hard int, that's all
Yeah.
we need. The rest
Yeah.
of the map's fine. Especially in this freaking. I don't want to take this guy's thing and tilt him.
Take the tower and then he can reset. Come, Herald.
Yep, done. Oh my god, he hits one ability and just ults. He misses all three. I like it, I like it.
Confidence.
I mean, if he hit.
Oh, we can
everything,
just
he
kill
would've
this guy. Yo, let's go. Come. This guy's so free.
died.
He's so free. He's so free. Oh, never mind.
He would have been so free.
Yeah. Oops.
It's alright, we still get it. I just kept on doing it because it was so low.
Yeah. You want?
Fuck, I didn't get this.
Okay. I'll take it. I'm gonna
I
Herald
have
top.
Flash in 15 here.
I'm gonna Herald
Yeah.
top and then come mid, and then Dragon is up in 14. So
I have Flash up for this, so it should be free.
they probably get bot tower here though. So it's
Yeah.
whatever.
I think it's worth. We definitely get, we get that. We'll get at least one more bonk.
Do you have a
and-
sweeper?
No.
Oh yeah, free,
Oh,
free.
shit.
Run them down. She got instantly deleted. Keep going.
Yeah.
I'm actually cracked. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm lagging. Holy shit.
Oh, I'm
What
coming.
the fuck?
He has no mana. Keep going. You got it. Oh, he healed.
Oh my god, he gets out.
Get to him! Fuck!
No, it's fine. He
We
burned everything.
both flash for it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
fine.
Awkward.
Flashed it and take me over the wall.
Take the blue buff.
So greedy. I'll life steal off it. Pink in here. I'm pretty sure there's a ward in here too. No?
I'm resetting. I have too much gold.
Yeah, me too. 200 off. I'm gonna take a camp.
Yeah, take the chickens.
Yeah.
Ramus is over here on my go. What's it called?
I'm gonna clear mid too.
Yeah, he's on the Gromp.
Collector.
I'm not too far from Night South.
I don't know where she's going.
Oh, on me.
Ooh.
Help me, please. I'm
Do you have a
fucked.
W?
Nah, I don't.
Do you have a
Just-
W?
Nah,
No.
but it should be good.
Wait, we can probably do this.
I'm almost
Yep.
there.
Oh my god.
GG.
That's funny.
Mastery 4, fucking Samir God. They don't even know it's coming.
Tell him to FF.
Their mid lane's 2-7, and that was the only person I was scared of.
I
They
don't
went
even
double
think
crack
she
and
got the stun ulti off.
No, she missed her ult.
Yeah.
I eat into her, and she missed her ult completely.
Yeah. This Ramus is depressed. Like, honestly. If you jump on, I'm going in. Oh my god, that's stunned.
Yeah.
Oh, do I live? Oh, I'm dead as fuck.
I got you.
No, I'm dead.
Fuck.
It's
I
fine.
got mid tower. I'm not up
David,
there.
David, no, David, come to me.
You good? You good?
Yeah, I'm good if you come.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Samira, go for Samira, yeah. This should be free as hell. Yeah, nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, you
Clean.
were just a little late, you piece of shit.
Suck my dick, dude.
God damn.
It's free mid
Jeffrey's just
tower
a little bit
too.
rusty. Yeah, first game after work. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I'm rusty, you cocksucker.
Freest game of my fucking life.
Remember who got you where you are right now.
Ult that bitch. What?
Let's just fucking duo this real quick. Let's shred it.
Hey, he got her, holy shit.
Yeah,
There we go.
this game is over. I'm coming.
Yeah. This is just pour salt in the wound. Duo bearing at 20 minutes. Trio bearing at 20 minutes.
Yeah, this is free.
It's crazy how if there was a voice chat in League,
Yeah, it would be so
like
much
a whole
easier.
different game.
It would be, I think, a lot less toxic. Kill this guy. What the hell? What is he doing?
Yeah, it's a fight.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's a
more
good
damage
one.
to the fucking Baron. Fuck it.
Oh shit!
I'm
Wait, they want to fight?
resetting right now. I just got bloodthirsty.
At the moment you guys invited me, I was like, "Ah, this game is free. GG's." Like, I was like,
Dude,
"Alright,
if you look at our
bro."
match history, we've been climbing, like
Bro,
sitting 80% win rate for the last couple days.
I'm so sad. I have been losing constantly, like constant games over and over again, and it's just so depressing.
I just started playing ADC everywhere.
Yeah, the only reason you guys are winning this much is because you're a duo. That's why. If you played solo, then you would be tilted.
I don't agree because you've never seen us duo. We used to lose all the time.
We
was
just started
so bad.
recently winning.
Yeah.
I don't know what changed. Oh my
Let's-
god! Oh my
Oh
god!
shit! Okay, well, I tried.
Wait, what am I watching?
Yeah, that's free. Oh,
Oh
this is so
my God.
so. Dude, this is what I mean. It was free. It was calculated. I knew it.
Oh my lord.
But
I don't know who, but somebody went in there. And I
yeah,
just
it was
went
me.
fucking
It was me. It was me and you. We
Dude,
saw
I
it, bro.
want to just kill this Annie.
Yeah, just end the game. End the game. This Ram is so depressed. He picked to counter me too. Oh.
Fucking rolled him in his jungle, poor little guy.
Oh, that was a shit